February 28 is observed as National Science Day to mark the anniversary of India's greatest discovery, Raman effect, and to recognize the contribution of scientists towards the development of the nation. On this day, in 1928, India's prominent scientist C V Raman discovered the Raman effect, for which he won the Nobel Prize in 1930. Today, the Government of India felicitates the scientists whose contribution played an eminent role in the field of science and innovation. A renowned scientist, Dr. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, was born on November 7, 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He did his bachelor's and master's in physics from the Presidency College in Madras. He was eventually felicitated by the Indian government for his role in the field of science. Not only the Raman effect, but he has also done several other scientific discoveries like harmonic nature of the tabla and the optical behavior of many pigmented materials. He was also awarded the highest civilian award in 1954. He won millions of hearts and marked a path towards the journey of science, not only for the Indians but across the world. The scattering effect theory got famous in renowned institutes of the world. After winning the award, Raman retired from the Indian Institute of Science in 1948 and established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. He was its director and was involved in the institute until he died in 1970. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) asked the Government of India to designate 28 February as National Science Day, which then the Government of India accepted. The first National Science Day was celebrated on February 28, 1987. Science and technology plays a major role in making human lives better and comfortable. Starting from the usage of modern technology in agriculture to robotics, human made everything possible. Now with the help of science. But do you know who all are the mastermind behind these blessings? Many great scientists have contributed their entire life to research. During the first year of celebration, on February 28, 1987, the NCSTC proclaimed the establishment of National Science Popularization Awards. The award is presented to the person who have outstanding efforts in science and technology. This way, people are more aware of why Science Day is essential for the country's well-being. The National Science Popularization Award involves students, teachers, and young scientists across the country to showcase their models and ideas, which may cause a huge technological change. National Science Day is celebrated with a view to spread the message about the significance of science and how it improves the daily lives of common folk. In addition, its celebration also has the following objectives in mind. First one, to display all the activities, efforts and achievements in the field of science. Second, to provide opportunity to those citizens in India interested in science. Third, to foster and encourage the interest in science and technology. Union Minister of State Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, launched the theme of National Science Day 2022, that is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. As stated by the Prime Minister, a fourfold integrated approach in science and technology for sustainable future will help us break out of our virtual organization and take a leading position in the global arena. The fourfold approach would consist of integration of all scientific departments, which can work on a theme-based approach, extended scientific integration encompassing engineering, medical and other institutions, extra scientific integrations involving the identification of the needs of other ministries like railways and extended science-driven, all-inclusive approach integrating startups and industry. Science Day is celebrated by organizing public speeches, science programs and science movies on radio, TV, science exhibitions on themes and concepts, debates, quiz competitions, lectures and science model exhibitions. The Government of India felicitates scientists who have contributed immensely in the field of science to mark the anniversary of India's greatest discovery, the Raman effect. The National Science Day is marked to raise awareness about the importance of science in people's daily lives and to recognize all activities, projects and achievements in the field of science and technology that help humanity. A tool that has given us the power to change this world. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. National Science Day is all about celebrating the goodness science has brought into our lives. Warm wishes on the occasion of National Science Day to everyone. Thank you so much.